Right, anyone experienced with mini stuff, please explain, because I am a little bit baffled. This is pretty straight, yeah? It's not bang on, maybe a little bit out this way or that way, right? And the track rod end is in. This is in about 5 turns. I imagine you can't really go any less than that because it'll fall off. But if we go to this side, fair enough, it's relatively straight, correct? You know, maybe it could go this way a little bit or that way a little bit, but the gap is mahoosive from the actual tie rod. And I have jacked this up straight or tried to make it straight. It doesn't matter whether it's high or low, it's this gap yay big. It is a different steering rack, so is it, you know, just too short, or do you need longer tie rods? Someone please let me know. I know you can buy extended ones, but this is a hell of a gap. I know obviously if I extended ones I could move it across this way on the other side, obviously less threads, and then yeah, but I don't get why. That's relatively straight. I know it is, well, it's a little bit off, but it's not massively off, and that is relatively straight. So how the hell does this work? Let me know in the comments. So a bit further representation, there's the wheels on. Obviously that one's a little bit out that way, hard to tell. And that one's a little bit out that way, but yeah, very strange. So yeah, if anyone understands why when I put the track rod ends in the wrong way around, topwards down, that's not bolted in yet obviously, but I can get my wheels straight-ish. I mean that one's not that straight, but it's straight-ish. Yeah. And that one was the same, track rod downwards. And I know old Minis had it that way, so maybe my spare steering rack I bought is from a much older model and it's shorter, so I have to do it that way. Yeah, let me know in the comment section. Anyway, subscribe, all that kind of crap, and I'll see you in the next video.